Hello and welcome. My name is Romney. I'm a former physical education teacher turned solopreneur and online content creator. Now what I want to do is actually to teach teachers how to go along the pathway to create online content. Now it's an amazing way to be able to deliver the knowledge you have to a broader audience, but it also is a fantastic way to create a better passive income that you can actually supplement your current income. Now, I'm evidence that it's possible. I've been able to exit my teaching and I've been able to publish books, create online courses, I've been able to create a YouTube channel, I've got a website, I've got blog posts, and I'm an affiliate for different programs. And it actually is a fantastic way because you can actually have more freedom to do more of the things you want more often without being confined to the 9-to-5 job. Now, you might like and love your teaching, and that's amazing. If you want to remain in the profession, then that's very, very good. However, if you just want to supplement what you're already earning with a YouTube channel and monetize that channel, or to create online courses and have a global reach, then the videos that I'm going to be creating for you will be perfect. Now, I've also created an online guide which is free to download, and that will run through some of the steps that's involved and my experiences with creating online content. Now, it will be a very good first step for you if you're looking at ways that you can actually create online content, namely probably courses. In addition to that, I want to talk through why teachers make great online content creators and how I've gone from a physical education teacher when I first graduated from university back in 1998 through to teaching for about 9 years and then exiting the teaching profession to then start to work as an executive, but then as an online content creator. So let's get into a few things right now. And remember, if you want more details about how to become an online content creator, just check out the description below. And I'm also looking at creating more content around this that will help you in greater depth in the near future. So anyway, let's get on to the content that I want to provide you and talk about how teachers make great online content creators. So very briefly, what's my story? How did I transition from a phys ed teacher to an online solopreneur? Well, in 1998, I had my first teaching role as a physical education teacher. Then I transitioned more through to a homeroom teacher in 2003, taught for another 3 or 4 years after that, before then joining as an executive for a major business in Australia. But after that, I decided that creating online content was the way to go. So between 2020, there's a bit of a gap there from when I first started teaching to this period of time, but I created 10 courses and now I have 40,000 plus students enrolled across those courses. I have over 28,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. I think as of today, it's about 29,000 since I created this slide. I've sold over 150,000 books and I've published over 200 books, and I'm also the founder of Global Self-Publishing. So you can see how there's been a period of time over that period of 2020, 2024 to current where I've been working really hard on creating online content. But why do teachers make great online creators? Well, there are 3 key reasons that I identify. They're natural communicators and explainers. You're already masters of structure and curriculum design, so you can bring together your communication to be able to break down big information into small bite-sized pieces that your students can understand. You can structure your lessons and the information you provide, and you have a deep desire to help others learn and grow. And that really is the key to it. You want to be able to help people. You want to be able to teach them knowledge and skills that they can then take onto different job opportunities, into life skills. So that's why I think teachers make great online creators. So if you think you're someone that would love to create online courses, online content, then just make sure you download my Teachers Online Content Creation brochure, and that will go through some of the key information that I've learned during that period of time. Opportunities for teachers online. You can do so many things. There is YouTube you can create. You can have other social media channels. You can create online courses. You can create books, being published books or ebooks. There are so many ways that you can generate passive income streams by creating online content. And once you create the online content, we'll call it a digital asset, then it's out there pretty much forever. I can create a YouTube video today, and that digital asset will be around for many, many years to come, and I can keep creating more content, and that builds and builds over time, over years, and it also creates a passive income stream. So there's some of the things that I identify as why I'd love to help teachers as a former teacher myself, because I know the potential you have to create online content. So what kind of income is possible if you're creating online content? Well, I've managed to generate a significant amount of money via my books with Ingram Spark. I'm an instructor with Thinkific, with Skillshare, and with Udemy, and I'm also an affiliate for a number of different programs. So this allows me to work as a content creator to develop that passive income. So the more digital assets that I create, the more opportunity there is to develop that income. But I'm also, most importantly, having a positive impact. I, as a school teacher, can use my skills as a communicator and be able to teach teachers now how to do what I've done. So if you like this information and you're a school teacher, please add a comment to this video, because I want to make sure that I'm hitting the mark. I want to help you more. And if you are interested in this, make sure your first step is to download the online course Content Creator Brochure, which is in the link below. And also add a comment, say, yes, Romney, I'd love to learn more about this and keep creating more content around this topic. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that it will help you as an initial step, and I'll create some more content around this topic in the very near future. So until then, goodbye.